Hello and welcome to the 60th Python tutorial. In a previous episode, which you can find up top, we looked at for loops and how they can be used for iterating through variables. Today, we'll see something similar, called mapping. We start by writing out a simple function which we can call double. We can say def double of n, and that will be return 2 times n. Now let's imagine we have a list of items. Actually, no, let's write it out instead as L equals 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7, for example. This is our list of items. If we wanted to multiply each element in our list by 2 using for loops, we'd have to write something like new list equals an empty list. Then we'd have to say for element in L, then new list dot append element times 2, or better still, in this case, double of element. Finally, we would print our result by saying print new list. Now that's all well and good, and it would certainly work. But when we have thousands or even millions of lines of code, using this syntax is quite wasteful in terms of the amount of space occupied. So how can we improve our syntax? Well, using mapping. First of all, we can delete all this and simply write new list equals map of double L. And that's it. One line gets the job done. Just to clarify, what our map function is doing is it takes the function, in this case double, and applies it to all the elements contained in the second argument, which in this case is our list L. Now if we run our code by pressing the F5 key, you can see that what we've created and called new list is actually not necessarily a list in of itself, but rather a map object. However, no need to worry, it's easy to convert back into a list on the left-hand side by using our list command. We can write list, and now if we run the code, you can see that we return our correct list with each of our elements twice that of our original list. Now I hope you enjoyed this quick dive into mapping in Python as a kickoff for 2023. As always, if you have any suggestions or comments, then make sure to write them out below. I look forward to seeing you all next week for a new video, and as always, happy coding!